When osprey grab a hold of something a little more challenging, they often spread their wings out wide and use them just like an outrigger on a boat. The goal here is simple: stay afloat. But the onslaught of waves, coupled with a rather large fish trying its best to swim down deep, makes things a little difficult. This bird's choices are extremely limited. It can let go of the fish and start the whole process over, or it can hold on and fight for its life. Hunger is a powerful motivator, and when the meal is a highly prized pompano, this osprey isn't going to give up until it gets the fish airborne.